Struggling to put food on the table in Pennsylvania? Let's walk through how to apply for SNAP benefits, also known as food stamps, to help you get the nutrition you need. First, head to the Pennsylvania Department of Human Services website. I put a direct link in the description box for you. It is a great resource for learning about SNAP and beginning your application. Next, determine if you meet the eligibility requirements generally. This involves checking your income against the limits based on your household size, proving Pennsylvania residency, and understanding the work requirements, although certain exemptions may apply. The easiest way to apply is online through Compass, the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Access to social services website. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. The link to Compass is in the description box. Now, complete the online application thoroughly and accurately. You will need to provide information about your household income, expenses, and resources. Be prepared to upload documents like pay stubs and proof of address, such as a utility bill. After you submit your application, you may be contacted for an interview. This will likely be conducted over the phone. Be honest and answer all questions completely. If approved, you'll receive an EBT card in the mail. This card works like a debit card and can be used at most grocery stores and some farmers markets to purchase eligible food items. SNAP is here to help you and your family access nutritious food. Take the first step and apply today. Don't forget to check the description box for important links and resources.